Today we're making an easy Ayurvedic style split green moong dal khichdi. It's a recipe that requires very few ingredients. This nourishing bowl is filled with grounding spices and is perfect for the colder months. So let's get cooking. We have 1 cup of split green moong dal or split green gram with skin. We've taken our green moong dal along with a cup of white sona masoori rice in a bowl, and we're going to rinse the two of them together under cold running water till the water runs clear. And we're going to leave this to soak till it's ready for use. We've taken a pot on medium-high heat and we've added 2 tablespoons of a refined coconut oil. This is to mimic the texture of ghee. To this, we're adding 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Once the seeds begin to crackle, we're adding 4 to 5 Ceylon cinnamon sticks and 3 to 4 cloves, followed by a tablespoon of a finely chopped ginger. And we're going to give all of this a couple of seconds till the ginger turns to a golden brown color. Once that happens, we're going to add half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Mix all of this really well and cook all of these spices together for around 15 to 30 seconds. We're then going to add in our rinsed, soaked and strained split green moong dal or chilka moong dal and rice. Mix well, and we're going to cook the rice and lentils in the spices for around 2 minutes so it gets infused with all of that flavor and the rice and lentils get a little toasty. We're then adding 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. We're using roasted cumin powder, but you can use regular cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder. Mix to incorporate all of these ingredients, after which we're going to add 6 cups of hot water. So for 2 cups of rice and lentils, we're adding 6 cups of water. And we're going to cook this on medium-high till the mixture begins to bubble. We're then going to reduce the heat to low, cover our pot with a lid, and simmer for 35 minutes. We also like to check on our khichdi at the 15 or 20 minute mark to make sure there's enough water and that nothing is stuck to the bottom of the pot. If you feel your khichdi is too thick, you can add 1 more cup of water. Mix everything well, cover the pot with a lid, and cook until you reach the 35 minute mark. Our khichdi looks perfect. This is the consistency we're looking for. Of course, if you prefer a looser consistency, you can always add more water. We're going to salt this to taste and mix well. Split green moong dal has a richer and nutty flavor compared to the more popular yellow moong dal, so it's a great lentil to incorporate into any khichdi. You can have this khichdi just as is, or can serve with a kadhi, which is a yogurt-based sauce. We made this out of coconut kefir, some papad, and of course some pickle on the side. I have a bunch of other khichdi recipes on the channel if you want to check those out. Let me know if you tried this out in the comments below, and please like and subscribe for more such videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!